Hello, this is Ben Smith from DIAB Engineering. Just going to do a short video to show you our cutting shop and how we cut out structural steel and pipe and platework. Basically, our cutting shop consists of two beam lines. This is our Lincoln Python X version 2, which is less than 12 months old. This is our Burlington Python X version 1. So it's actually they're made in the same factory. This one's about 10 years old and has done all of our structural steel cutting during that period. The main difference between the two, besides the colour, is this robot is hung from the top of the roof, whereas the robot in the Python X sits on the bottom of the cell. So there are our two beam lines. Down in the back left-hand corner here, we've got our pipeline. So that's our CNC machine that cuts out all of our pipe work, and that can cut saddles and T-pieces and any shape that you can think of cutting out of a piece of pipe. The Vernon tool will do. We'll have a closer look at that in a minute. And down on the right-hand side, we've got our Kinetic 4000 that cuts out all our plate work. It's all our base plates and cleats and stiffeners and gussets. And all that sort of stuff gets cut out on that machine, and any thicknesses from around about 2 millimetres up to about 150 mil thick. It's down there. Essentially, it's got this stack of steel here that we're cutting at the moment, and you'll see if it's probably about to start up in a moment in the cabinet here. So have a look through there. Before it starts cutting, we're clamping material. The robot comes and makes contact with a piece of material just to set all its cutting clearances. And then off she starts, and she'll start in a moment. So at the moment it's just cutting off the end of the last piece of material that was cut, so it's cutting it, so it's got a square end on it. And after that it'll start cutting out the part. Just to have a look at a couple of other things here. So these are a couple of parts that have been cut out just now. You can see this item here, a couple of holes and a slot in it. You can see the quality of the cut, super smooth, super straight and square. See the quality of the hole. So that'll now go and get ground up, cleaned up. Got a couple of holes here, you can see how neat those holes are, just super clean. I don't think you can get around a hole if you tried. And down here, this is just a little sample piece that we use to show people that want to see the capabilities of the Python X machines. So, basically everything there's been cut on the Python X. All the slots and logo and holes, etc. Look at the quality of the hole. So that's basically what we use. Quick look over at this machine here. Essentially the same machine. It's once again got an ABB robot on it, suspended from the ceiling. The hypertherm torch there, hypertherm plasma around the corner here. The ABB control system. Show you the Vernon tool. I haven't got a job on that. They're cutting at the moment. Got a 6-axis plasma torch. The material will enter in here. The material rotates. The pipe rotates as the plasma torch gets manipulated to cut the part out. So really good on a structural job. Really good for cutting the notches out where the splice plates slide into the end of the pipe brace. We've got the Kinetic machine. This machine here has been here for about 10 years as well. It essentially cuts out all of our plate work these days. Mainly uses plasma, but once we get over 60 mil thick, we use oxyacetylene. that's the part. You can see the quality of the cut there. You can see the quality of the hole. We've got some slag there, but we'll grind all that slag off. All right, so that's just a quick snapshot of our cutting shop, and hope that answers a few questions.